Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another bearded dragon feeding. So what are we feeding him today?
Dubia roaches.
Ooh, gross. All right, let's have at it.
Put them here by him. Eat the dead ones. Did he eat the only live one?
Yeah. There wasn't many of those, so.
There was only one live one?
Mm-hmm. No,
How'd
there's
you have
more.
live ones.
I don't know, I haven't seen any big ones that I wanted to get. They all were hiding. There you go, good boy. He looks so funny with that raspberry on him.
Yeah, he does.
That's it, dude. That's all you got. Oh, maybe there's the other dead ones in there. Alright, that's gonna be it for today, probably. Let's see how that looks. Yeah. Alright, see ya, monkey. You look so funny with that on. You cannot take him seriously. Doesn't this look nice?
Mm-hmm.
You was smooching with my brother, wasn't you? Yeah, he's a silly little goose. Alright, we'll leave you in peace.